So, in the last sessions, we have seen three types of reasoning prompts like manual COT, where we are providing the reasoning steps manually. We will write the steps manually and we will ask AI model to analyze that based on that solve so and so problem. And the second one we discussed about auto COT also. So what is auto COT? We are going to ask AI model to generate reasoning steps automatically. We won't write any reasoning steps. So based on the available information, your ChatGPT has to take these reasoning steps automatically. Then we covered reflection prompting. What is reflection prompting? First, we will solve the problem. We will get some solution. From that solution, can you please review it and provide final answer? Because once if we go for a review kind of thing, there may be a chance of some mistakes or improvements that I can make. So that we covered. So today we are going to talk about another type of prompting, which is nothing but self-consistency. So self-consistency prompting. What is mean by self-consistency prompting? Why we need to go for this prompting? We will talk about this. Okay. So up to this, any questions?
No, sir.
So if you take the general prompt, previously whatever we covered, the general prompting. Sir, how we have done in general prompting? In general prompting, just we have given some question. So my chat GPT is going to find one reasoning path, one reasoning path it is going to find out. Then from that reasoning path, we will get one final answer. This is the thing what we covered till now. But in reflection prompting, what we will do? So, sir, why we need to go means, for example, consider if the reasoning, contains one mistake, then the final answer becomes wrong. Correct? Because you are providing only one path. So if that path is having any mistake means definitely your answer is also wrong. That's why what we will do is in self-consistency prompting. So it is going to generate multiple reasoning paths. So self-consistency prompting or self-consistency is going to solve these kind of issues. Sir, how they are going to solve? Very simple. If you take the question, from that question, it will generate, sir, reasoning 1. Then if you generate reasoning 2, reasoning 3, reasoning 4, like for the same problem, you are going to generate multiple solutions, multiple paths from that. Sir, assume that if first path is giving answer A, if a second reasoning step is giving answer B, if the third one is giving answer A, if the fourth reasoning prompt is giving answer A. Now, sir, the majority vote is A. That is nothing but the solution. So, instead of identifying only one reasoning path, let us identify the multiple reasoning paths. In multiple ways, we will solve the problem. So if it is giving any solution, we have to identify the common solution in that means majority solution. We will declare that as the result. This is the technique which we will follow in which prompting, self-consistency prompting. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, let me write some two paragraphs related to the definition. Self-consistency prompting is an advanced prompting technique where the AI is encouraged, AI is encouraged to generate multiple, multiple independent reasoning paths for the same problem, and then what we are going to do, we will select the most consistent, or majority supported final answer. This is nothing but what we will do in self-consistent. So means instead of instead of trusting the first reasoning, instead of trusting the first reasoning path, the model explores different ways of solving the problem, and we are going to choose the answer that appears most frequently or is the best supported. Like that, we are going to choose it. Clear? Clear, everyone?
Yeah.
So, what is the basic idea? What is the basic skeleton? If you take, very simple, just instead of asking solve this problem, how we will ask? Solve this problem using multiple independent reasoning paths. Then you have to compare all solutions. We have to compare all solutions and return the most consistent answer. Like that, we will ask, friends. We won't ask directly solve this. Just we will ask AI model to generate multiple solutions, independent solutions from this, and then we are going to select final answer. So definitely reasoning quality. The main agenda is nothing but what? So the main purpose is reasoning. Reasoning quality will be improved. Reasoning quality will be improved. That is nothing but the main concept what we have. Clear, friends, up to this?
Yeah.
For example, let me take one simple real-time scenario. Then I will go with the problems. See, imagine a student, a student wants to solve, a student wants to solve mathematical, mathematics problem. The students wants to solve mathematics problem. Sir, we will identify the first method. Sir, apply the direct formula and generate the answer. Sir, if I am applying the direct formula, the answer which I got is 240. Just imagine. Now, sir, in second method, can you please apply step-by-step process? Step-by-step process. Now, the answer which I got is 240. Now, sir, the third method which we are going to take is, sir, approximation. Approximation calculation, can you please do? Now, the answer which I am going to get is 238. So now, what is the final answer? Please tell me what is the final answer?
Got you.
Yes, 240. Because here, sir, two methods are giving the correct answer. Two methods are agreed. One is different. One is different. No worries. We have to focus only on the majority. So this is the exact concept. The same concept is implemented. The same concept is implemented in which prompting? self-consistency prompt. Okay, clear friends?
Yes, sir.
Any questions up to this? No. So how self-consistency prompting is going to work internally? So the working principle of self-consistency prompting. Sir, how it is going to work? Let's have a look once. Sir, in self-consistency prompting, step one is nothing but you have to receive the problem. Whatever problem that they have given, you have to receive. Then, can you please generate multiple thought processes? Multiple ways will be there definitely. Now, for each thought, what you need to do? Process each thought process solves independently. You have to solve independent. Next, step 4. What we will do? Sir, collect all answers. You have to collect all answers. What is a step 5? You have to compare the answers. You have to compare the answers. What is a step 6? Sir, you have to choose the most consistent answer you have to choose. What is a step 7? You have to return the final response. You have to return the final response. This is nothing but what is the statistics that we will follow in self-consistency prompting. Friends, you got the point? Please confirm. Clear?
Yeah, clear.
Let's take some examples so that you can understand well. So one by one example I will take here. Okay. So what I will do is already the examples are there. Just I will copy paste and we will go for explanation of one by one. So around some 10-15 applications are there. Yeah. Just to have a look once, please. First example. So selling price combination. Now observe carefully. A shop sells an item at a 20% profit. So one item is there, he is going to sell for with a 20% profit. If the cost price is 500, what is the selling price? Solve this problem 3 times. So directly I am not asking or review kind of thing. What I am asking, can you please solve this problem how many times? 3 times. But you can use the word independently. Rules. Each solution must be independent. I mean the process. Now you have to compare the answers. If the answers are different, explain which one is correct and give the final answer clarity. Maybe in these 3 times, 2 times I got some answer, let it be 500. In one time I got 450. Which one I have to choose? 500. So what is the reflection self-consistency prompting? You have given a problem. Try to solve that problem with different methodologies, different independent ways. So identify the solutions of all these ways. Go for majority. Can I run this prompt? Please confirm.
Yes, we can go.
Yeah. Let's go for execution of this prompt and let us see what will happen in the way. Observe friends. Sir, solution 1. Sir, which formula? Percentage formula. Sir, profit, selling price, everything it calculated. What is the second solution? Direct formula. There are some mathematical problems will be there based on that. Sir, what is the third solution? Ratio method. So, comparison. Solution 1 answer is a 600. Solution 2 answer is 600. Solution 3 answer is 600. All the 3 independent solutions gave the same answer. Hence, what is the final answer? 600. Clear, friends? Everyone got the point?
Yes, yes.
So this kind of a prompting is called as what? Please give me the name. What kind of prompting it is?
It was the kind of
Self-consistency.
self-consistency. I was not.
Yeah, no problem. So let's go for second example. So second example, a bit lengthy example, friends, but several times we executed. Sir, you are a professional travel planner. I am planning a trip to Mumbai. What is the task? Create a complete travel plan, including the most visit attractions, good restaurants, accommodation options, transport guidance, practical travel tips. Follow self-consistency reasoning method. Sir, in step one, generate three different reasoning approaches independently. Three different approaches. Each approach should create its own structured travel plan. Have you observed? This instruction, if ChatGPT is receiving, what it will do? It will create three different approaches. Same, the place is Mumbai, but three different strategies it will maintain. Now, step two, observe carefully, compare these three plans. Identify the common recommendations across them. Sir, three plans are there. Common recommendations, can you please identify? Now, select the most consistent and practical solution. Now, provide the final combined answer under final travel plan, most consistent version. Do not keep the language simple and practical. Do not skip the steps. So, this is my requirement. This is my requirement. I am asking ChatGPT to create three different plans and compare those three plans, identify the common recommendations, and then please suggest the good way. Like that, I am asking. Even I am not giving some solutions. I am giving, this is my problem statement. Like that. Now observe what it will do. Yeah. Step one, three independent travel plans. Approach one, first time visitor. So what is the recommendations? Approach two, area based plan. Sir, approach three, practical and balanced plan. Three approaches has generated. Now what is the step two? Comparison of those three plans. Top attractions, recommendations, coastal experience, okay, historic landmark, like that common things. Sir, practical differences. Approach one is best for first time visitor. Approach two is best for saving travel time. Approach three is best for relaxed trip with balancing sides. Most consistent and practical suggestions. The strongest recommendations are they have given final travel plan. Clear, friends? Any questions?
No.
So it is also a beautiful plan, right?
Yes. Compare three plans.
No. Sir, no. This one even I tried 2 days back when I'm taking data structures class for my student. Just this similar kind of problem I saw. What is the problem here is observe friends. Generate three different algorithms for searching duplicate element in an array. I have an array is there. I want to find duplicate elements. For that, multiple approaches are there, friends. Can you please choose different algorithms and recommend the best algorithm? Just only 2 lines.
Sir, one doubt. How automatically it is recognizing it is a self-consistency plan?
What is the pattern of self-consistency prompting? What is the prompting? What is the formula used in self-consistency? Have you observed here?
Yeah.
This is the solution, right? Question is the same. 4 different approaches. So in all these 4 approaches, what is the answer you are getting? Now majority vote you have to select. Same thing we use it in first example. Because if you see first example, what is the first example? So I purchased or I sold one item with 500 rupees. I got some 20% profit. Now, what is the selling price? So what I asked, the problem is clear, but I don't want solution directly. Can you please solve this problem 3 times independently? Because for
So,
a
sir,
mathematical problem, 3 different approaches.
sir, it's taking the previous chat conversation and it's automatically considering it as a self-consistency. Right,
No,
sir?
no, no, no. We are giving, right? See, what is the meaning of this line?
Yeah, here we are giving it, but
In
for
every
example,
prompt, in every prompt, directly or indirectly, you have to give this. You can take any prompt. If these kind of things are there, then only it is self-consistency.
okay, sir.
And if you take second example, so why I'm telling second example is a self-consistency? Because have you observed what is the first step? Generate 3 different reasoning approaches. Sir, even we are doing this in our daily activities. Sir. Suppose if I want to visit Vizag Arku, this is my plan. So what we are going to do is we will identify some agencies. I will call to agency A. Can you please tell me what will be the budget and what is your plan? I will note it down. And I will call to another agency B. I will note down the plan. Call to agency C. So which places he is going to take, what is the price, everything I will. Then among these 3, what we are going to identify? Budget and a common visiting places. So based on that, you can suggest. You can go for which is the best. Understanding?
Yeah, understood.
Same thing. Now, sir, if you take next example, that is coding. So what I asked, three different algorithms for searching duplicate elements. Recommend the best. Already I pasted the prompt. What is the first algorithm? Brute force comparison. What is the idea? Pseudocode. Example, time complexity. Algorithm 2, hash set based approach. Algorithm 3, sorting based approach. Now comparison. Brute force time complexity, hash set time complexity, sorting, best approach, hash set. So maybe whether it is going to work or not, I will give 5 different algorithms. Really, is 5 different algorithms are there or not? It will check. We are not required to work. Sir, what is the first one? Brute force comparison. What is second one? Hash set algorithm. Third one, sorting algorithm. Fourth one, frequency array or counting algorithm. Fifth one, hash map frequency counting. Now, which is the best? Hashes. Understood, friends?
Yes, yes. This is useful, I think. Suppose we write any code, and then for the modular coding, if I ask to give the time 3 different kind of modification of coding in terms of the time complexity, and then we can select the best one. Like,
Yes.
okay, this
Even have you observed, sir, in our previous cases before
is.
this AI tools? So, if I have a problem with 3 or 4 different methods, we will calculate. Even we did this. We will calculate time complexity for every algorithm. And a big question will be there in mind. Which algorithm is suitable, best? We have to identify and we need to select.
Okay.
Now, it is not in our hand. You can ask, array, generate 3 algorithms. In that, select the best algorithm. It will do analysis and comparison, everything. Clear?
Clear.
Yeah. Now, observe carefully. Sir, next one. Yeah. Have you observed? Prompt engineering. Write 3 different prompts to summarize a research paper. Sir, I have a research paper is there. Can you please write 3 different prompts to summarize that research paper? Compare their effectiveness, recommend the best. I want to develop a prompt. Now I will ask ChatGPT to at least generate 3 prompts. From that, identify the best. Sir, 3 prompts for summarizing research paper. Basic summary prompt. Okay. Prompt 2. Sir, prompt 3. Now you can see comparison. and recommended prompt. Prompt 3 is the most effective prompt. Clear? No. Let's go for fifth one. Solve the DSA problem. Solve the DSA problem. Maybe which DSA problem we will take? Solve DSA problem titled which DSA problem? Maybe yes, 0 by 1 knapsack problem. I want to solve this problem using what methods? Using what methods? Maybe the greedy approach. Okay, then divide and conquer approach. Next, what is the next approaches? Branch and bound. So like that. Any other, sir? Do you have any idea? I think brute force we can't use for this. Okay. So now compare and return the best solution. Now observe how it is going to generate. Please have a look once. 0 by 1 knapsack problem. First, it is going to give what is 0 by 1 knapsack. Greedy approach, divide and conquer approach, branch and bound approach, comparisons, best solution, branch and bound. Friends, even no one is going to explain with these beautiful diagrams. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, example 6. Decision making. Sir, a student has offers from Google, Amazon, Microsoft as software engineer. Analyze each offer independently. Can you please look at those offers? Generate multiple decision paths. I want to take the decision. Can you please generate multiple decision paths and recommend the best option? And also give me why you have selected that. Now, I am not required to think and I am not required to inquire. My ChatGPT will do in the background. Yes, independent analysis of each offer. Offer A, Google. What is the strength? What is a possible concern? Offer B, Amazon. Offer C, Microsoft. Multiple decision path. Decision path one. Technical depth first. Cloud and a large scale system. Long-term career flexibility. Maximum ownership and fast responsibility. Okay. Compensation and practical life. Comparison. Have you observed all aspects? Sir, best default choice is Google. Why? Excellent technical foundation, strong long-term career value, high quality engineering environment, strong flexibility. Have you observed? This is nothing but what we have. Clear, friends?
Clear.
Right. The next. So example number 7. Business analysis. Sir, a startup wants to launch an AI product. One startup company is planning to launch AI product. Generate 3 business strategies. Analyze the risks and compare the products. Recommend the best strategy. Now let us see. Yes, strategy 1. B2C freemium AI product. Okay, some technical terms will be there. B2B and AI SA as a subscription. Next, AI platform API licensing. Next, risk analysis, profit comparison, then strategic comparison. So recommended strategies B2B AI Yes, yes. Clear? Why also it is given. Sir, understood?
Yes, yes. But consistency kind of thing, where is it coming in this prompt?
You can see, I want to start an AI product launch. Generate
Three business strategies. Yeah.
3 different strategies it will generate.
Okay, okay, okay.
I am
Then
asking to analyze the risk, and I am
okay.
asking to compare and recommend the best way.
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
In every prompt, hidden structure is there. We need to identify that.
Hmm.
That is
Okay.
very important. Correct?
Correct.
Sir, example 8. Example 8. So just I'm planning to visit Rameshwaram within 2 or 3 weeks. That's why just I will execute this. Have a look once. Plan a Tirupati to Rameshwaram. Generate budget plan, comfort plan, luxury plan. Compare. Recommend the most balanced option. Let's check what it is going to give. Yes, budget plan, suggested route, comfortable plan, luxury plan, comparison, recommended, comfort plan. Sir, why? Reasonable cost and compared with luxury options, much less tiring than fully budget journey. AC, long distance travel improve the comfort. Private local sightseeing saves the time. You can comfortably visit major attractions without rushing. So choose a comfort plan approximately 15 to 25 per person. That's all. So AC train or bus for long distance journey, comfortable hotel, a private cab for Rameshwaram and Dhanishkoti sites. Clear, friends? Clear.
Yeah.
Let's go for next one. Learning roadmap. Sir, generate 3 learning paths for prompt engineering. Yeah, beautiful prompt. Beautiful prompt, friends. I want to learn prompt engineering. Can you please give 3 roadmaps? Roadmap 1, fast track. Roadmap 2, job ready. Roadmap 3, research oriented. Compare them and recommend one. I want to learn prompt engineering. Can you please analyze in these 3 aspects and give me the best one? Prompt engineering, fast track, duration, what you are going to learn. Job ready, 2 to 1 month, what you are going to learn. Research oriented, 6 to 12 months, what you are going to learn. Recommended, job ready. For most learners, I recommend job ready. Why? Because it provides a practical skills quickly. It includes prompt engineering and programming. It covers modern AI application development. It teaches RAG API evaluation like that. Clear, friends? No. Sir, sir, can I go for next?
Yes, we can go.
Example 10. College career guidance. Generate 5 career roadmaps. Roadmap 1, data science. Roadmap 2, machine learning. Roadmap 3, prompt engineering. Roadmap 4, generative AI. Roadmap 5, AI research. Compare salary, learning difficulty, future demand, job availability. Recommend the best career path. Data science, goal learning path. Mission learn. Like that, it is going to give all the options, and at the finally, it will select the best approach. Future demand, high growth potential, generative AI. Recommended career path, generative AI. Clear?
Yeah. Also compare salary. Yeah.
Yeah. Now example 11. YouTube content strategy. YouTube content strategy. Generate 5 different growth strategies. Sir, I'm running a YouTube channel. Strategy 1, I want to take Java tutorials. Strategy 2, I want to take prompt engineering. Strategy 3, Python projects. Strategy 4, interview preparation. Strategy 5, AI tools. Compare the audience demand, competition, okay, monetization, and the long-term growth. Recommend the best strategy supported by majority of the factors. Now you can see with the rating it is giving. With the rating it is giving. So what is the final Python projects? So clear. Next, sir, example 2, bug fixing. Sir, my Java program throws a null pointer exception. Identify the root cause using 5 independent debugging approaches. Sir, why I am getting the null pointer exception? Can you please identify? But don't identify directly. Sir, identify with 5 different approaches. What is approach 1? Source code review. Can you please take the source code and review it? What is the second one? Stack trace analysis. What is the third one? IDE debugger. What is the fourth one? Unit testing. What is the fifth one? Logging analysis. Compare the finding, recommend likely root cause and best fix. Now observe. Approach 1, source code review. Approach 2, stack trace analysis. IDE debugger. Unit testing. Okay, logging analysis. Sir, you can see what is the best approach it is going to give. What is the best one? Sir, all 5 independent approaches identify the same root cause. The program attempts to call a method on reference variable whose value is null. In all these approaches, sir, I got the same answer. Like that it is today. ChatGPT is very intelligent. Clear?
Right.
Right. Sir, next one. Example 3. Exam preparation. Exam preparation. Sir, generate 5 preparation strategies for Java interview. Theory first, coding practice, projects, mock interviews, revision based learning. Compare the effectiveness for getting placed within 3 months. Recommend the best prepared strategy. Yes, strategy 1, what it is telling. Strategy 2, what it is telling. Strategy 3, what it is telling. Strategy 4, what it is telling. Strategy 5, everything it is giving very clear clarity. Recommended hybrid strategies 2, 3, and 4. Sorry, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hybrid strategy. 35% coding, 25% Java theory and revision, 25% project development, 15% mock interviews. Even it is giving the plan also. Clear, friends?
Yes.
No. Next, let's go for a couple of prompts. Sir, a trainer wants to start an online coaching business. So I want to start online coaching business. Sir, what is the first model? You can go for recorded courses. What is the second approach? Live online classes. What is the third approach? Hybrid learning. What is the fourth approach? Subscription membership. What is the fifth approach? Corporate training. So compare revenue potential, investment, scalability, competition, and risk. Recommend the most profitable most profitable, so long-term business model supported by majority of analysis. Model 1, sir, model 2, model 3, model 4, model 5. Sir, independent analysis, analysis 1, analysis like that. Hybrid learning. I recommend hybrid learning is the most profitable long term. Clear, friends? Clear. Next.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
clear.
15th prompt. You are an experienced technology consultant. A software developer has a budget of 80,000. Requirements: Java development, Python programming, Android Studio, Docker, VS Code, AI tools, good battery backup. Follow the reasoning method. Please observe, friends. Generate 5 independent evaluation approaches. In approach 1, performance. In approach 2, price to performance analysis. Approach 3, developer productivity analysis. Approach 4, long-term value analysis. Approach 5, customer reviews and reliability analysis. This is step 1. For each approach, should recommend the best laptop independently. Compare all recommendations. Identify the laptop recommended by majority. If there is disagreement, explain why. Provide the final recommendation with justification. Present the result in a clear table. A weak prompt. If I want to purchase a laptop, my budget is 80,000. Just run this prompt and check what suggestions AI is going to give. Yes, majority recommendation. Wins when raw performance is the main priority. Wins when premium expand. Like that. Clear?
Yes, clear. As one question is that because we have written the budget of 80,000 and the ChatGPT model that we might be using right now might have been trained on the previous update, previous data. So there might be some price conflicting.
Yeah, definitely. That we need to check. But
Check.
just we have given approximate thing. Price, these things and all, we have to double check before proceeding. Okay. Now,
Better we can do one thing, like lookup kind of stuff I was reading somewhere yesterday. Means just look up the internet and then do all the your prompt that you have given just now.
yes, we can ask. We can ask them.
Then might be we get the recent price quote of.
Yes. We can write like check in the latest prices like that. Yeah. So if you are clear with these 14 examples, 15 examples, just a comparison kind of thing we will do and then we will come. Can I please confirm?
Yes.
Reflection versus self consistency. We are going to see reflection and self consistency. Let me perform difference. Sir, in reflection, what we did, have you remembered? What is the first operation? First, you will create one answer. Only one answer you will create. Then what you are going to do? Then you check your own answer. whether it is right or wrong, any mistakes or any improvement like that. Means you are going to improve that answer. Am I right?
Right.
Find the mistakes.
Yeah, find the mistakes and improve the answer. So just review your answer and provide improved version. This is the technique which we are going to follow in reflection. Correct?
Correct.
Sir, what about self-consistency? Sir, in self-consistency, so what we are going to do? We will create multiple answers, and the word is independently. Sir, minimum 2 or 3 versions. Correct?
Yes.
Then you have to compare the answers. Then you have to select the common and repeated points. Correct, sir? So what is a note here? Create multiple answers and select the best answer. That is nothing but the difference between reflection and self-consistency prompting. Clear?
Yes.
So I will add 2 more points, friends. Please listen. Maybe this will be useful. Sir, tell me, in your point of view, is self-consistency is best or reflection is best?
Self-consistency.
Self-consistency. Now observe the point. Sir, self-consistency is generally stronger. For what kind of problems? Complex problems. And it is not recommended. For simple problems, as the cost of tokens is high. For simple problems, don't go for self-consistency because n number of comparisons it has to do. Correct, sir?
This is
So for simple problems, reflection is the best. That is faster and simple. Correct?
correct.
Yeah, sir. Actually, in second one, if you write one prompt again, we need to check it and it will give the better option, right? So in these iterations, it will take a lot of tokens, right? So in terms of the token,
In which case, self-consistency or reflection?
Reflection.
Reflection, how many answers we will generate?
Yeah, only one answer.
Only one answer. And we will ask them to identify any mistakes or any points are missing like that, and we will ask improved version. Okay?
Yeah.
In self-consistency, how many answers we are asking?
Minimum 3 to 5.
So, which is very costly?
Yeah, tokens wise, question wise, self-consistency is costly, but in a single shot, we are getting that answer in self-consistency. But coming to reflections, we are not getting the answer in a single shot, right, sir? It is.
Yes.
But
So, but
the tokens are a little bit high, right, sir?
Sir, input tokens are very costly, not output tokens. So whatever you are writing, so getting that and searching is difficult.
Oh, okay, sir.
And one more thing, all these prompts, depending on our requirements only, we will write. If our requirement is very needed, depth knowledge must be required, means you have to pay. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay.
See, I want best YouTube thumbnail. What I have to do? Can you please take these kind of graphics, like this color combination, phase 1, this color combination, phase 2, this color combination, like that. 4 to 5 options I will give, and then I will ask them to compare, and I need best answer. Then you have to go for self-consistency. So if that is not my requirement, simple image I need, just to go for normal prompting. So it is completely depending. Clear, sir?
Clear.
Now, sir, I will go with one prompt, one powerful combination. One powerful combination example I will take. Sir, can I go for that?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Now observe carefully. Now observe carefully. So what I am doing is powerful combination. Powerful combination means I will include self-consistency first. Self-consistency means I will ask ChatGPT to generate minimum 3 to 4 answers. I can also apply reflection on that, because if my ChatGPT is generating one final solution, can you please check one more time? Is the good answer or not? If any improvements are required, can you please cross check? Like that also we can ask, right? So
Okay.
first do which one? Self consistency. Minimum, sir, 2 or 3 options. Can you please select? Then apply reflection. Apply reflection on best answer. Now what you are going to get? Sir, now we will get higher reliability. Am I right, friends? Think a bit logically, correct?
Yeah.
I have a problem is there. Can you please solve that problem 3 times? 3 different approaches. Then after getting the solution, is there any problems in that method? Can you please analyze? Can you please improve that? Like that we are asking. Don't worry. If you see the example, you will get clarity. But the agenda is clear, right?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now observe. Same Mumbai travel plan only I am going to take. But this is very important, friends. Please listen carefully. So what is the prompt I have here is observe. Trip to Mumbai. What is the task? Create a complete practical travel plan, including must visit attractions, good restaurants, accommodation, transportation guide, practical travel trips. So this is my task. I want to go to Mumbai. This is my task. Clear, friends? Task is clear, right?
Yeah, yes.
Next, what is the next thing? Follow this structure strictly. Phase 1, self-consistency. Step 1, generate 3 independent travel plans. Each plan must be structured, include all required sections, be logically different in approach. Step 2, compare 3 plans. Identify the common restaurants, identify the common stay areas, identify the common transport suggestions, highlight strong repeated recommendations. Step 3, create a combined consistent version. Sir, using only the most repeated and practical suggestions. Next, label this section clearly as consistent combined travel plan. Can you please confirm from step 1 to step 3 what activity we are doing? Self-consistency, correct?
Yes, sir.
We are
Yes, yes.
asking different approaches. We are asking them to compare, and I am
Yeah.
asking them to generate consistency. Clear?
Yeah.
Clear.
Now in phase 2, reflection. Now reflect on consistent combined travel plan. Check carefully, is any important is missing? Are the travel times practical? Is it balanced between budget and comfort? Is the sequence of places are logical? Is it realistic for first time traveler? Can it be simplified further? List improvements points clearly. Final improvement. Based on the reflection, improve the plan, provide the final, sir, refined version under final improved travel plan, that is self consistency plus reflection version. Now, rules. Keep the language simple and practical. Do not skip any phase. Show reasoning clearly. Keep suggestions realistic. Clear, friends?
Yeah.
Total 3 phases. One is self-consistency. Second one is reflection. Third phase is generate the final answer. Clear? Can I go for executing this?
Yeah.
Let's see what it is going to generate. Phase 1, self-consistency. Step 1, 3 independent travel plans. Plan 1. Plan 2. Plan 3. Step 2, compare the 3 plans. Have you observed? Gateway of India in all 3 plans. CSMT, all 3 plans. Marine Drive, all 3 plans. Have you observed? Juhu Beach. Sir, only 2 plans. Elephant Caves, only 2 plans. Strong common attractions. Common restaurants. Sir, Som is there in all 3 plans. Now, common stay areas. Strongest repeated recommendation. Common transport suggestions. Now, consistent combined travel plan. Day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4. Accommodation options, everything. Now, reflection. Is any important thing is missing? Yes. The plan should also consider the traveler's arrival and departure location, monsoon and weather conditions like that. Are the travel times are practical? Elephant caves requires a substantial part of day. Is it balanced between budget and comfort? Yes. Is the sequential logical? Mostly yes, but the better sequence is like this. Now, is it realistic and first time traveler? Yes. Can it be simplified further? Yes. So the essential first time Mumbai experience can be reduced to must do, optional. Final improvement. Clear, friends?
Yes, it is very long response.
Sir, is it a paid version? No, but it is giving correct answer, right? So you understood what is the importance? Clear?
Got it. Yeah.
So that's all. But let me give one conclusion. Already I am adding some summary points at the end. Okay, let me finish that comparison. Now you can see in reasoning prompts, already we covered manual COT where we are providing the reasoning steps manually. Auto COT, AI model is responsible to provide reasoning steps automatically. Reflection, initial answer, review that initial answer and provide a final answer. Sir, now what is self-consistency? Can I say it is solve many times, and choose common result? Correct?
Yeah.
Clear?
Yeah.
Yeah. Sir, can I go for a small 20 MCQs just on these 4 topics so that we can check our knowledge? Yeah. So I will write a prompt. Please generate. So 20 MCQs, one by one. So after every question, wait for my answer. Okay, wait for my answer. Next, please validate my answer and provide explanation in single line. And then ask next question. Sir, please generate 20 MCQs one by one. So on the topics, what are the topics? The topics are nothing but manual COT, next auto COT, so next reflection prompting and self-consistency. Maybe you can give correct answer or maybe some small mistakes will be there, but don't worry, let's attempt. Can I start?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
This is someone has not. I'm coming.
Yeah. Now have a look once. Sir, which prompting technique explicitly asks the model to solve a problem through a sequence of immediate reasoning steps. Which prompting technique explicitly asks the AI model to solve the problem through a sequence of immediate reasoning steps? Which one?
Auto COT.
Auto COT. Incorrect. The correct answer is manual chain of thought. Okay, it is explicitly provides a request step-by-step reasoning process, while auto COT automatically generates the reasoning steps. Sir, which prompting technique explicitly? It is not auto COT. Correct?
Yeah, it is saying that ask the model, right?
Which prompting technique explicitly asks the AI model to solve the problem through a sequence of intermediate reasoning steps?
Yeah, got it.
Just one mistake, correct? But no worries. What is second one? What is the main purpose of auto COT? To manually write every reasoning step? No. To automatically generate a chain of thought demonstration for different problems? Yes. Option is B. Now, third question. What is the primary purpose of reflection in prompting? Tell me.
To generate multiple independent solutions.
Yes,
and select
to
the
generate multiple independent solutions and select the majority answer. Is it reflection or self-consistency?
It's sorry, it is
self-consistency.
Reflection.
So reflection means what? To review
and check. Yeah, B, sir.
B is the answer. Just we will ask AI model to review it. Sir, what is the main idea behind self-consistency prompting? Generate one answer, generate multiple independent reasoning paths, and select the most consistent answer. B. Correct?
B.
Correct. Which prompt best demonstrate manual COT? Solve this problem in one step and provide the answer. Generate 5 solutions and choose the answer that appears most frequently. Solve the problem step by step. First identify the facts and then apply formula and finally verify the result. Review your previous answer and correct the mistakes.
C.
Yes, C, because
C.
Manually we are providing. Which feature best distinguish auto COT from manual COT?
Answer is A, very simple.
Generates reasoning demonstrations automatically. Manual COT, human testing. Correct?
Yeah.
A model produces an initial answer and then examines it for errors, missing information, and logical inconsistencies before improving it. Reflection. Even they have given in heading also. Yes. Sir, self-consistency is mostly used when?
Multiple reasoning paths can be generated.
Multiple independent reasoning paths can be generated and compared. What is the potential disadvantage of manual COT?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. It may require significant efforts to design high quality reasoning examples or steps. We have to write, right?
Yeah.
Which prompt best represents reflection strategy?
C.
Review your answer, identify any error or missing details, improve it. C. A model solves the same problem 5 times using different reasoning paths. 4 solutions produces answer 42, while one is producing 45. What could be the self-consistency typically do?
Select 42.
B. Select 42. Because it has majority support. Correct?
Yeah, majority vote.
A prompt provides step-by-step reasoning framework, automatically generates several reasoning examples, ask the model to review the answer and compare multiple solutions to select the most consistent result. Which technique are being combined? Observe carefully. A prompt provides step-by-step reasoning framework. Automatically generates several reasoning examples. Ask
COT
the
and
AI model to review the
yes,
answer.
yes, sir. COT and auto COT, reflection and self.
Yeah, everything is there.
Everything is there. Clear?
Clear.
Wow, we are experts now. So what is the key benefit of auto COT?
It reduces the manual efforts required.
Manual effort reduces the manual.
What is the main difference between reflection and self-consistency?
Reflection improves the correct, yes.
Yeah. Which statement about manual COT is correct?
Yeah, B, sir.
B. It provides explicit reasoning steps.
Explicit steps.
Which sequence best represents a workflow that combines manual COT, reflection, and self-consistency? Given step-by-step guidance, generate multiple solutions, compare them, review and improve the selected answer. Can I say option A?
Yeah.
No. Yeah.
Yeah, it was A. Yeah.
Yeah. Because they asked all these steps.
Yeah. I didn't see B and B, C, D, sir.
Okay.
No.
So what is the potential limitation of self-consistency?
More
Computation you just
parts
got
and
that for the
yes, sir.
Option A, correct?
Yeah.
Because we need to have the more tokens for that.
Yes. Question number 18. Which action is most characteristic of reflection?
Yeah, C, sir.
C. Critically examining an answer for mistakes and revising it. Correct?
Yeah.
Correct.
Which technique is most directly associated with majority voting among multiple independently generated solutions?
Self-consistency.
D.
Yeah,
Correct?
D, sir. D.
Which option correctly matches each technique with its primary function? Manual COT, human designed step-by-step reasoning, auto COT, automatic reasoning demonstrations, reflection,
This is the A.
self-consistency. First one is the correct. Correct. Final score. 20 out of 20. No, right?
Yeah.
I think first one is missing. Yeah. Let's ask. Please review once and then give final score. Just let me ask. Again, it is telling same. I think somewhere one wrong answer we have kept, right? Maybe first one and second.
First one is wrong, sir.
First one, correct? Yeah. Okay. No problem. ChatGPT can make mistakes. The small counting it is. So clear?
Yeah, clear.
Yes.
So I hope now you got clarity on all these reasoning steps, 4 prompts. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Just apply these prompting techniques even in your day-to-day activities also. Okay.